guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy February, and welcome to my January favorites video. Obviously my favorites videos are where I show you my favorite products that I really enjoy during the month of January. I have a lot this month, so let's just jump into it. I will say January was kind of a poopy month for me, but I hope this month will be better, and I'm sending everyone out there a lot of positive vibes and hugs and kisses, and it's all gonna be fine. No matter what last month brought you, this month is bringing you more positive stuff, I promise. Okay, first off, I want to talk about a candle. That's weird. Should I talk about my candle first? You know what? I'm going to talk about my candle first, because I love this candle so much that I've used this much of this candle. I like get drunk off this scent. It's so good. This is the White Barn, which is from Bath & Body Works. Eucalyptus mint scented candle. And this smells so good. It reminds me of middle school. In middle school, I had a tiny little lotion that I carried in my pencil pouch that was eucalyptus mint, like anti-stress from Bath & Body Works, that I got at the mall with my friends, and we all had one. And we would all like lather our bodies in this like hand lotion that we got at Bath & Body Works that we thought was so cool. We thought we were the coolest kids in school. I'm just rambling about how this smells so good. It's so relaxing and soothing, and even just having it out with the lid off like elicits a scent into the room without even having to light it. My room always smells so good. Whoever comes into my room, which is not boys ever, it's literally just my friends, my mom, and who am I kidding? It's really just me and my stuffed llama. I have a stuffed llama. One second, I'll show you my stuffed llama. I showed this llama in a what I got for Christmas video, but this was a January fave for sure. He doesn't have a name yet. For some reason I want to call him Frederick, because I kind of feel like it's a he. I don't know. Y'all let me know. Let me know. Name the llama. I already got a backup of this candle because I love it that much. So that's a favorite. Candle. To take a step towards makeup, because that's what this is. This is a makeup channel, not a llama and candle channel. I've been loving the Kylie Wet Set, which is so good. This is, of course, a highlighter palette, and these shades are insane. Let me just swatch Privacy Please and Do Not Disturb. Look at these. Can anyone see how, okay, back here you can see how beautiful these are. These, and I will swatch Unbothered and Getaway. Oh. These are the most beautiful highlighters I have in my collection, hands down. They're the most reflective, the most beautiful. I got these for Christmas. I love them so much. I take a little bit of Privacy Please and Do Not Disturb and put it on my cheeks, laid down before I do foundation or after I do foundation, but before I bake and powder, so it does diffuse a little bit. And this is my glow after a long day. I did not just do my makeup, so this is like my makeup after a school day, but it gives me the best glow. When people try to ask me like, what highlighter are you wearing, or what is that product on your cheek that like does that, and I'll be like, well, it's kind of a step-by-step process. And that's when people stop listening. They're like, you use a cream product, which is this bad boy, and then you go into your powders. Yes, I do. But I love this so much, and it really makes such a difference in my routine. I know these guys are a little bit more expensive for a Kylie product, but the formula is unbelievable. I would say if you needed a dupe for some reason, the closest I have would be a ColourPop formula, which I feel like is kind of similar. I will swatch Counting Sheep, which is really pretty. I will swatch that down here. So it does kind of give off a similar reflex, but it's just a little more glittery and a little less just like airbrushed and amazing and perfect. I've been loving this product by Marc Jacobs, which, hello, packaging. You can't tell I am a slutty booty for animal print. I love it so much. Everything I own is animal print. This palette is so good. I got this in December sometime, and you can still get this right now. It's so great. It's limited edition, but these shades, I'll swatch some of my favorites, which happen to be all of them, but no, I'll swatch the first few shades. Look at that. Like, these are incredible pigmentation and quality that you get out of these shadows is amazing. The sleekness, the blendability. I love Marc Jacobs so much. It's this is so... I didn't even tell you what this palette is called. I'm such a bad booty guru. It is 800 Flamboyant. It says boy. I just burped. Just look at these shadows. My next favorite is something I got me and my mom, and you know when I get my mom the same thing, it means I really love it. It is Fussy by Fenty Beauty, and this is one of her gloss bombs, and this is so good. I'm not wearing it right now, but like, let's change that. This is so pretty, so glossy. It just gives the most, sorry, I'm using my viewfinder as a mirror, but it gives the most just like all over gloss look without being too pinky or too mauve-y or too glittery. I love the gloss bombs. Highly recommend. Fussy is my new favorite. So, oh my god, I love this gloss. I love it. It's always with me. It's in my backpack. It's in my purse. It's on the person. Let's talk about the Joa Truly Yours Natural Finish Foundation. This is so good. This is like a hidden secret. I found out about this from Paige, what is her, Corin here on YouTube, and it is such a good foundation. It's like Born This Way, but a little bit more matte instead of just natural finish. Like, it is a natural finish, and I do find it does sink into more fine lines and wrinkles and pores and that kind of thing quicker than my Born This Way does, but it's $9, and so if you can find Joa in your drugstore, I did a video on this brand, check this out, because I would say this is the only thing from the line that I really thought was outstanding. The liquid lip I have on today is one of my favorites. This is ColourPop Ultra Satin Lip in Magic Wand. Oh, this is so pretty. Let's swatch. It is such a pretty color, and of course it looks beautiful with the gloss over it. The formula here is really just like a bullet lipstick on your lips, so it feels really comfy. It's not stiff. It's really easy to put on because it's in a liquid lipstick tube. I love this formula so much, and Magic Wand is just the perfect My Lip But Better shade, and it's more, I just love it so much. It's really hard to find like good nudes for my skin tone, but this is perfect. I love this. Now I've got to talk about a scent that I really love, which is from Soap & Glory. It is their Call of Fruity scent, and this is in their body butter formula. Oh my god, I can't even open it. This smells so good. I've used a considerable amount of it already because I didn't get it that long ago, but this smells so good. It smells like summer. It smells so good. And I really like their original scent as well, but this is just so good. And this formula is really great, so it actually, you get the good smell and you get the amazing moisture it kind of gives your body. This is so good. So good. I actually have been using this more than my Glossier lotion, which is my #1 go-to, so that says something about how much I love this scent. I also have this scent in the body wash as well, because that's just how phenomenal this smells. Next time you're in Ulta or Target, please smell this. It's so good. The #1 thing that I think has really turned around my skin has been the TLC Sukari Baby Facial from Drunk Elephant. It looks like this. It is insanely expensive, but basically this is chemical exfoliation where it takes off a really thin, it's not even a layer of your skin, it's just the dead skin and dirt on top of your skin that kind of traps a lot of just gross stuff on your face, and just how soft your face feels after using this, how just incredible it feels on the face, how amazing that my skin looks and has been transformed using this product is crazy. This is amazing. I cannot rave enough about this. This is so transformative. If you really want a product that's really going to do something for your skin, this is a weekly mask. This is it. Like, this is something that's really going to do something for you. I do have sensitive skin, and it does make my cheeks a little bit pink and a little bit heated, but that's just because I'm extremely sensitive to basically anything. But my skin has been so transformed by this, and I'm so thankful for this product. Seriously. So I know a lot of people have talked about it, but the hype is real. The hype. But if you have like perfect skin, like, don't worry about it. But I mean, this product, I keep it in its box because it's so expensive that it deserves to be kept in its little box. This next thing's kind of random. I mentioned earlier how I'm kind of obsessed with eucalyptus. That was the scent of my candle that I freaking love, is eucalyptus. So I got a diffuser. Actually, my mom sent it to me. Shout out to my mom, I love you. She sent me a diffuser, and she also sent me this, which is eucalyptus grade therapeutic oil, which I diffuse in my diffuser, and this helps me fall asleep at night. This helps me meditate. This helps me, if I put essential oils in general, have really been helping me lately. This is just such a little extra tip to help if you're feeling down. Right now the sun is out and I am feeling such like a mood boost right now, but I deal with depression, and really I've been finding, my roommate is really into this kind of thing, but therapeutic oils and essential oils can really be transformative therapeutically, and it's a quick, inexpensive, as far as therapies for depression go, temporary solution or temporary reliever. So I would try it out. Or if you're just a regular person and you like to have a really, like, a room that smells really, like, calm and nice, like, check this out. This is from the brand Art Naturals, but it was just on Amazon, so whatever you can find on Amazon. Now this product is something people have been raving about for a really long time. It is the Mario Badescu. Will my camera ever focus? Who knows if I hide behind it? Oh wait, that works. Facial spray with aloe, herbs, and rose water. Now I'm gonna be real. Wait. The sprayer on here is kind of horrendous. I just slapped myself in the face. And I did it again. Oh my god. Okay, be gentle. Be gentle. I'm gonna be real. I don't think this does anything for your skin at all. I think it just smells really good and feels really good and feels really refreshing. My whole face is wet now. But I love spraying this on my face so much that it's in my favorites because I've been spraying it on my face so much. I have the huge size because I actually went through one of the smaller sizes before. So now I have the jumbo size, and I'm using the heck out of that. So I clearly like to smell like roses on my face. If you liked this video, please give it a like, and if you like me, which I hope you do, please subscribe if you're not already, even though my favorites videos are mostly viewed by my subscribers. You guys are awesome. Thank you for so much love on my videos this past month. I hope everyone has a really amazing month. Think positively, you can do this, whatever obstacles coming your way, you got this, girl. And just treat people with kindness, and treat yourself with kindness. And okay, I love you, bye!